Looking for a quick and healthy breakfast option? Then this oats omelette is a perfect choice and could be made under 10 minutes and tastes amazing. Welcome to Suzacs, the world of simple quick recipes. For this recipe, we need 2 eggs, 1 cup of oats and 1 cup of milk. First of all, beat the 2 eggs. To this, add 1 cup of instant oats. Now add 1 cup of milk. Instead of milk, you can also use water. Mix it. Add 1 onion chopped, 3/4 teaspoon of pepper powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything well. You can also add curry leaves if you want. Now heat a pan and add some oil. To this, pour the batter. Close it with the lid and cook on medium heat for 3 to 4 minutes. You can see that this side is done. So now turn it. Close and cook for another 2 minutes. It's ready and now we can take it out. With this batter, you can also make small omelettes, which could be ideal to give as a snack option for kids. This is a perfect way to combine oats, eggs and milk into a tasty wholesome meal and is quite filling also. So please try it, and if you find these videos useful, please subscribe to our channel and see you all with another video. Bye.